If your game, which is The Sims 4, is stuck on a pop-up ad like this, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now, if this happens, it usually takes 3 to 5 minutes to get to the menu screen. So if you're patient enough, you can wait like 3 to 5 minutes to get to the menu screen. If you don't want to wait, you can follow the steps below. Now, there is a mode that doesn't allow ads or news to pop up. It's called Hide News and is available through this Patreon page. The link will be available on the description. So if you click that link, you take to this main menu modes here. Scroll down, you will see an option on how to install it. Simply download this, which is called Fixated Main Menu Hide News. It is available. If you scroll down here on the bottom of the page, you'll see an option which is called the Attachments. Make sure to download it, which is called the Fixated Main Menu Hide News.package. After downloading it, how do you install this mod? It is installed by following the instructions which have been written, which say to install, make sure to download it. Since you've already downloaded it, now put it on your mods folder. If you want to have the news or pop-up ads back, simply remove the above package file from your mods folder. So to put it on your mods folder, how do you get your mods folder? To get your mods folder, it is available through the documents. After opening the documents folder, you will see the electronic ads. Open the electronic ads, you see the Sims 4. Open the Sims 4, you see the mods folder. That's how you paste that package which you've downloaded it, and it's called the Fixated Main Menu Hide News. After pasting it, then you'll no longer get the pop-up ads or news section. If you don't want to install anything, you can try this method. Also works. First time you start, the pop-up ads will happen. Press escape and it will take you to the home page, but it will be grayed out and you can't click on anything. You'll have to force quit by pressing Ctrl Shift plus Escape. This opens Task Manager directly and you can close the game from there. Second time you start and it happens, press Escape and it will take you to the home page again. Now it's totally fine, not grayed out, and you can continue without any issues. So the second time you start and it happens again, press Escape and it take you to the home page. Now it's totally fine or not grayed out and you can continue without any issues. This can also help you fix the problem. But the best method, just install this mod which is called the Hide News. The link will be available on the description. After downloading this package, put it on your mods folder.